time for the third quarter. Score 27-33 in favor sa Beremax. Let's go, let's go. Third quarter. Ay ka. Short. Number 29. No good. Rebound by Gonzales. Uy, foul. Duh, bigi bali bay. Oh! Gonzales, long 2 points, no good. Fast break, ay, habog ra. May gani kay kusog imambog si Idol. Ay, defense, mata. Madrigal. Busing number 1. Pass Olintorio to Madrigal. Madrigal susubok ng 3. Bang bang! 3 points by Madrigal. Nice shot. Number 41 sa gilid. No good. 3. Idol, no good. Nice rebound by number 41. Defense. Lentorio crossover. Pass by Madrigal. Lento, ay ka. Madrigal again, wala. Lentorio rebound. Lentorio sa ilalim. Nice one by Lentorio. 38. Foul by Gonzales. Grabe Idol pong. 38-29. Nanonood na sa Idol ba? Nanonood na sa Idol. Number 10 sa gilid. No good. Inyora. Kaliban by Madrigal. Relax. Mata. Pass Busing number 1. Gawas. Gonzales for 3. Short. Ay ka. Yay. Tuloy isa. Pass to Madrigal to Lentorio. Sa gilid. Bang bang. Bumawi si Lentorio.
Onipa. So Esguera.
Wala. Nice rebound. Dagi matando ko score. Lentorio again, wala. Nice rebound, number 13.
Madrigal.
40-31.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 21 seconds.
Nice block. Wala ito. Sure, rebound by Lentorio. Wag bola. Busing. Ay, nganin. Busing sa ilalim. May ganin na balik ang bola. Nice one, Busing. Foul.
Esguera.
Uy.
Madrigal.
Okay.
Blocking foul. Penalty na. Last throw for Mr. Esguera.
Score 42-31. Mata. Nice shot by Mata. 44-31. Nakawala. Ay, nice moves.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 2 seconds. 13 shot clock.
Madrigal. Pass by Mata. Gonzales. Gonzales again. Susubok ng 3. No good. Rebound by Madrigal. Nice pass. Gonzales. No. Nice block. Nako ni Lintorio. Lintorio. Oh, tulod. Nako ni Madrigal. Nice pass. Bang. Guseng. Nice pass by Gonzales.
20 seconds shot clock. Asibis.
No good. Nice rebound. Uy, Maraon. Balik na. 46-35.
Lentorio. Lentorio drive.
Lentorio nakawala. Lentorio. Nice one. Uy, yung paspik na. Rua.
Lentorio. 15 shot clock.
Lentorio again.
Lentorio.
Tabitawan.
Asibis. Roa. Tumaraon.
Nagigawas. Nice defense by Gonzales.
Single position. Sunset.
Uy, defense. Madrigal, pass break.
Madrigal.
Easy basket by Madrigal.
Asibis.
No good.
Maraon.
Ay, no good.
Last touch. Single position. Remaining time 2 minutes and 6 seconds.
Iyay, wait, wait. Oh,
Antibrisco, 21.
Pagpasa yan.
Lugar, bato ng lugar.
Ah, way lalom. Defense by Madrigal. Tris.
Madrigal.
Gonzales, long two points. Bang, bang. Gonzales. Score 52-39.
Remaining time 1 minute. Foul. Penalty. Remaining time 1 minute and 20.
Last draw. Perfect shot, 2 points.
Madrigal.
Score 41-52. Uy, muntikan.
Mata. 15 seconds at the
Habog na.
inside to the goal.
Nako.
Coming to the ball. Rolla drives. Pass to
Uy, nice defense by Mata. Nice defense.
Antibrisco. Inside pass.
3 seconds.
Score 52 against 41.
Tris, kena. Ay, short. Ay, sobra. Relax. Balik.
Griezmann.
Ay, kaya pala. Huwag ka pa kulang magilalom na.
Remaining time.
May Tris na, wait tao. Gonzales. Oh, 3 points by Gonzales. Seconds to play. Nice pass. Foul counted.
Plus red.
Number 16. Bonus draw.
Just 1 point.
Perfect 3 points. Score 44-55. In favor pa rin sa Berry Bucks.
25 seconds.
25 seconds in third quarter.
19 shot clock.
Mata.
15 seconds.
Madrigal for 3. Bang! 3 points by Madrigal.
10 seconds.
Defense by Huyan. Defense. Mata, Tris. Mata for 3. Wala. 3 seconds. Isa na. Rua. 44-58 in favor sa Veribox. Time for the third quarter.